Hello, Golden Bears. My name is Braden Hudak, and I am a graduate assistant working for the Career Development Center. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to schedule an appointment with one of our career counselors here at the Kutztown University Career Development Center. You'll need to go to handshake.com and sign in using your KU credentials. Once you're signed into Handshake, you'll need to click the Career Centers tab here in the top right corner. Once prompted with the Career Center page, you'll need to scroll down and click on the blue Schedule an Appointment icon on the right side of your screen. Here you will be prompted with the different types of appointments you can schedule as a KU student. We can assist students with major choice exploration, career choice exploration. We can also show you the most effective ways to conduct both a job or internship search. For this appointment, I'm going to select the Major Choice Change Exploration appointment. Next, you will need to choose the day in which you'd like to schedule your appointment. I'm selecting Tuesday, September 8th for my appointment. Now I can see that I'll be receiving counseling from the Assistant Director, Janelle Henry. Next, you will select the time that works best for your schedule. On the appointment request page, you'll see a photo of your counselor, and you'll be able to select your appointment medium. For the fall 2020 semester, you will have the option of a Zoom video appointment or a phone call appointment. I'm going to select Zoom appointment. Here, you can briefly describe what knowledge you're looking to gain from the appointment. Here, I'm going to write, I am an undecided student looking for guidance with major exploration. Next, you will hit Request, and you will be notified when your appointment has been approved. If you selected Zoom appointment, then you will receive a Zoom link from our office on the day of your appointment. If you selected a phone appointment, then our office will use the phone number associated with your Handshake account to call you for your appointment. We hope to see you in an appointment soon.